Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be doing 3 summer salad recipes that they're super fresh and easy to make. So if you want to know how I'm making it, just keep on watching. For the first recipe, it's gonna be a couscous salad and we will need the following ingredients. We will need some couscous, of course, that I already pre-made, and I put some salt and pepper with it too, so it's already pre-seasoned by myself. The next ingredient we will need, it will be peaches. You can get natural peaches or the ones that they come in a can. For me, I think it's easier and they're a bit sweeter too, so I prefer these ones over here. The next ingredient, it's gonna be mint leaves that we're gonna chop finely and add to the salad. We are also gonna need some goat cheese that I just take these ones which are pre-packaged and they don't have any skin over them and they're super soft, so it's really easy to just basically put them in the salad. And the last ingredient, it's going to be some walnuts. So right now I'm gonna be chopping all the ingredients. Have all the peach cut in pieces, I'm gonna add it to the couscous. Next up, I'm gonna be chopping some mint leaves. Add them to the bowl as well. The next step is going to be some goat cheese, which comes already cut in this package, if I can open it. But I'm gonna cut it also a bit smaller. There we go. We'll make it in small pieces. And you can even do this with your bare hands if you want to. And the last step is going to be walnuts. I'm going to also make them in a smaller pieces, but as you prefer, you can just put them also whole pieces. So this is the final result. Looks delicious. The second salad is going to be a pasta salad with mayonnaise. Maybe it sounds a bit weird, but trust me, it's really good. The ingredients are the following ones. We will need some pasta. Any type of pasta works. It can be whole grain, normal grain, whatever pasta you prefer. I already cooked this one. Some tuna. This one is canned tuna. Some sweet corn. Some ham that is already chopped, and over here I have a boiled egg and some mayonnaise. I'm choosing one that is a bit more light, so up to your preference as well. And you will need some salt and pepper for seasoning too. So now that I chopped the egg, I'm gonna be adding it to the pasta. Add the sweet corn. Now mayonnaise to your preference. Also, what I do sometimes, instead of adding the mayonnaise, I also add olive oil because I think it's really good with it too. And you add as much as you want. sometimes a little bit goes a long way. So this is the final result. And for the last recipe, one of my favorite recipes, it's gonna be with whole grain rice, and the ingredients are the following ones. You will need some whole grain rice. This one I got is pre-packaged, so you just have to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. So it's super easy to make this salad if you find this type of rice in your supermarket. Then some canned tuna, half a ripe avocado, 1 boiled egg, some walnuts or any type of nut, to be honest, works, and parmesan cheese. This one is already shredded, so it's super easy to put it in salad. As well, some olive oil. So the egg, I'm going to just cut it in half, like so. I'm going to add the rice to the bowl. The 2 halves of the egg. I'm going to take the avocado out. Adding some walnuts now. Finally, some parmesan cheese. Which in this case I'm not gentle at all because I really like it. Some salt. Some pepper. And finally, some olive oil. So this is the last salad. So that was all. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!